This is a dumb light. If somebody or something walks by the back door, nothing happens. I want to upgrade to a security light that has motion detection. This LED motion security light has some cool adjustment features. Here at the sensor, you can select how long you want the lights to remain on after they're triggered by motion. Also the sensitivity, how wide is the range going to be to detect motion. Also has this neat D to D feature, that's dusk to dawn feature. If you turn it to that, the lights will automatically come on at nighttime, stay on all night long for security, and then turn off automatically in the morning. Of course, turn off your power first. Remove your old light fixture. The new security light does come with this weather strip gasket, so you don't have to worry about messy caulks or anything like that. You don't have to go too tight with these, and you do see some adjustments, so you can go up or down depending on the size of your box. Okay, next you simply move on to the wiring. Safety dictates you want to do ground, then neutral, then hot. Everything is color coded, so your bare copper wires are going to be your ground. So with solid wire to braided thinner wire, which is typical of light fixtures, it's good to run the thinner braided wire a little bit longer than the solid wire. What that does there is that ensures the electrical cap will bite onto the thinner wire and wrap it around the solid wires. You don't necessarily have to pre-twist with electrical caps, but you can if you want to. Okay, next you're going to tuck in your electrical wires. The power is still off at this point. You don't want any wires sticking out. The security motion sensor goes at the bottom, and it is labeled with this side up, so you know. Okay, at this point, you're ready to turn the power back on. Now, each left and right LED light is fully adjustable. You can point it in any direction you want. And the sensor, the motion sensor, is adjustable as well. And your ease of operations to change the setting is right underneath. So you have the dusk to dawn. You have the sensitivity sensor. How far do you want it to read away from the motion? And how many seconds do you want it to stay on once it gets activated? Hey, you did it yourself. I knew you could. A security motion sensor light installed by yourself. I'll see you next week.